So as we looked at building this line, once we got approval internally and the team's buy-in, then we had to make a decision on who we're going to utilize for the line. A lot of vendors out there that could have been chosen. Now, we look for stuff for around our quality, throughputs, food safety, sanitary design, efficiencies. We also look for a complete partner. We wanted as limited amount of vendor suppliers for that line as possible so that we can integrate and have one project manager. So that was important to us. We have seen in past projects where we've had multiple, and then we get a lot of finger pointing between the three in the instance we had before. So very important for us to have that and have the line integration all the way from front to back throughout our process. And it was a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of vetting, making sure we chose the right equipment, the right vendor partners, because we know the strength of this line and our ability to succeed and hit the levels we're trying to do is based on those relationships with all those vendors. And we've been truly blessed in the efficiencies that we've seen so far, the commissioning of the line, and now we're producing product on 96 hours a week as we sit today. So I hope to grow that in the near future, but we wouldn't do that without the partnership of our vendors.